Okay, what you're looking at here are the battery terminals, and I just got a brand new battery, and so what I'm going to do is clean these up. And if you have corrosion on yours, it's going to affect the transfer of electricity. Corrosion adds to the resistance of the ability for the electricity to travel through the wires. So if it gets bad enough, your performance is going to lack, or your car won't even start. So to do this, if you have your car battery hooked up, you want to disconnect the terminals, and you want to do the ground first. The black is the ground. Some people say do the red first, but I'd rather do a ground because if it sparks or does anything, it's not going to affect anything. Whereas if you have this hooked up and you accidentally hit another piece of metal, you're going to potentially damage your car. So take this one off first. Then take this off, and you may need to use these tools. Basically, you'll start with, this is just a toothbrush with baking soda, and you scrub it on there, and then you'll also want to use, if it's really difficult and really stuck on there, a wire brush. There's also terminal brushes specifically designed to get in there. I don't have one of those, so this works just fine. So basically what you do is you get some, I did quite a bit here, but you just make a solution of baking soda and water, and you scrub it on there, and it neutralizes, breaks down the, as you can see the color on there, it breaks down the corrosion. The corrosion actually happens as acid leaks from the battery. The gas travels up. Some of the battery terminals, yours might have a green or little felt pads underneath the terminals between this and the battery posts, and that is designed to kind of insulate against the acid leaking out of the battery and up into the metal and reacting, and that's where you get the corrosion. As you can probably see, this is really cleaning off quite well. You can start to see the metal underneath. That's exactly what we want. Cleaner this is, the shinier it is, the more electricity you're going to have. And you're going to have some oxidization going on. This is kind of turning green as it's reacting, and we're just dissolving all of this buildup. We'll go over to here. In fact, I could even just soak it in there, but the brush seems to get Now if it's bad enough, you can just replace the terminal posts if you don't want to deal with this. Or not the posts, sorry, but these parts right here, you can just buy them and replace them, but I don't want to splice these wires. Some cars it's really easy. This one's got a lot of stuff connected to it.